Delaney, thank you. A Wisconsin kayaker who faked his own death so he could live with a woman in Asia says his plan was a, quote, crazy emotional dream. 46-year-old Ryan Borgwardt made the comment during a 3-hour interview with Green Lake County Sheriff's Office investigators. Borgwardt told detectives that he came up with the plan because he couldn't communicate with his wife and his kids didn't want anything to do with him. He said he felt like a failure and talked about how he had accumulated credit card and business debt. Borgwardt abandoned his kayak on Green Lake in August of last year in hopes investigators would think he drowned. The search went on for 50 days. He flew overseas and lived with a woman in Georgia for several months. He got back to Wisconsin in December and was sentenced to 89 days in jail in August for an obstruction charge.